Day 5 of trying to attempt to solve a Rubik's Cube under 1 minute by beginner's method. Let's scramble it. Orange gotta be the first to be solved. Guys, I will be trying this challenge every day until I beat it. If you want to see this, subscribe, it will really motivate me. Now the second layer. And this is second layer done. Now the top layer. The last corners had me more time, or it would have been completed quicker. It took me 1 minute and 44 seconds in this attempt. And it's done.